So hello everyone, welcome to the channel. So in this video I'm gonna show you how to reclassify and convert a raster to a polygon shapefile and calculate an area using ArcGIS Pro. So now let's get started. So from the table of contents section you can able to visualize this is a supervised classified image. This is LULC 2021. So we're gonna reclassify and convert this to a raster to a polygon shapefile and calculate area for each of these classes starting from dense vegetation to floodplain in ArcGIS Pro. So now let's get started. So first we're gonna reclassify this LULC raster. So for that we're gonna navigate to this option called analysis. In that we're gonna click this option called tools, that is geoprocessing tool. So now a new window pop up saying geoprocessing, and in the search section we're gonna enter as reclassify. So now I have entered as reclassify. So we're gonna click the first second result called reclassify spatial analysis tool. So this is our reclassify tool. So in this tool we're gonna insert our input raster. So the input raster will be our Landsat 8 image of 2021. So once you did that, we're gonna reclass field will be our value field. So value field will be this particular sets of number here. So the one here represents the dense vegetation, 144 represents vegetation, and 145 represents water body, and this is build up, and each of this particular set of numbers here represents a different LULC classes. So now the new fields will be, so the 1 will be represented as 1 and 144 will be represented as 2 and 145 will be represented as 3. So once we have selected our reclass field, so next we're going to navigate to the output raster where you could like to save this file. So let me browse the location where I could like to save this file. So now I have navigated to the folder location where I could like to save my file. So I'm going to enter as reclassify. So now I have entered as reclass LULC, and now I'm going to click save. So once you did that, next we're going to use this particular option here, and now click this checkbox here, change the missing value to no data. Let me click this and make sure that your output raster has reclass LULC.tiff, the file extension of TIFF. And once you did that, we're going to click this option called run. So now we have our reclass LULC1 tiff.tiff. So we have our reclassed our LULC raster using a reclassify tool. So next we have to convert this particular convert this layer from a raster to polygon. So for that we're going to navigate to the geoprocessing section here, and let me go to this option called toolboxes, and in that navigate to this tool called conversion tool, and in that we're going to click this tool called from raster, and we're going to click this option called raster to polygon. And now the input raster will be our reclass LULC.tiff, and the value field will be the value, and choose your output location where you could like to save this file. So I'm going to browse to my folder location where I could like to save my file. So now we're going to enter as raster to polygon here. So now I have entered as raster to polygon. I'm going to click this option called save. So once you did that, we're going to navigate to this option run and click run. So it's going to convert our raster to a polygon. So it will take some time to convert our raster to polygon. So it's going to complete. So it is converting. So now we have our raster to polygon layer here. You can able to see that. So let me right click and go to this option called attribute table. So in the attribute table you can able to see here. So each of this grid code represents the different LULC classes. For example, this particular grid code of 4 here represents the, so 4 here represents the build up, and the 5 represents the this particular barren land, and similarly the 1 represents the dense vegetation and 2 represents the vegetation. So now next step we're going to dissolve this grid code. So for that we're going to navigate to this geoprocessing window here. So now we're going to search for our dissolve tool here. Let me enter as dissolve. So we're going to click this first result, dissolve data management. We're going to click this, and now in this the input feature will be our raster to polygon, and the output here navigate to your folder location where you could like to save. I'm going to browse. So I'm going to enter as dissolve raster to polygon, or dissolve raster. So now here I have entered a dissolve raster LULC, and I'm going to click save. And in the dissolve field, we can select this particular field called grid code. So the grid code represents the different LULC classes. So for example, 1 represents dense vegetation and 7 represents the floodplain. And leave the rest of the field as a default. And now we're going to navigate to this option here, the run, and we're going to click run. So it's going to dissolve all the grid codes together. That is all ones together and twos together using this particular tool. So now the dissolve is completed. So we have our dissolve raster LULC here. That is our dissolve polygon. So you're going to right click and click this option called attribute table. So now we're here in the attribute table, you can able to see all the grid codes. So we have dissolved all this ones together and all twos together, and similarly all 7 together. So which is represented in this field here. So now let me close this. So once you have dissolved, we're going to navigate to this layer here. We're going to right click and click this option called attribute table. So now we're going to add 2 fields to this particular layer. So first field will be our LULC class, and followed by the second field will be area. So we're going to click this option called add field. So now we're going to create a field. So first let me add a field called LULC. So I have entered as LULC. The data type will be the text. And once you did, we're going to navigate to the top section here. We're going to click this option called save. And similarly, I'm going to add another field here. So we're going to add a field called area. And now we're going to click this option called data type. And in that, we're going to select float. And now I'm going to click this option called save to create a new field. And now we're going to apply the changes. So now it's going to create 2 new fields in our dissolve raster LULC. So let me close this. So now here you can able to visualize we have created a LULC field and area field. So now first let me enter the LULC classes here. So the grid code of 1 here represents the dense vegetation, and grid code of 2 represents vegetation, followed by water body, barren, fallow, and at last we have our floodplain. So I'm going to enter the name here. So you're going to double click this particular field. You're going to enter the name as a dense vegetation. We're going to create the next class, that is our dense vegetation. That is vegetation. So now I have entered the LULC classes here, starting from dense vegetation to floodplain. And similarly, we're going to calculate the area for each of these classes. So for that, we're going to right click on this particular field, and we're going to click this option called calculate geometry. And now a window pops up saying calculate geometry, and in that, so we have to save the edits here. There is a pending edits. So let me navigate to this option here, and in that we're going to click this option called save edits. Click yes. So it's going to save all the pending. So currently no pending edits. So the input feature will be our dissolve raster LULC, and followed by in that we're going to select this particular field called area. Selecting area, and the property we're going to select area. And now next we have to select the area units. So here choice is up to yours. For now I'm going to select my choice will be square kilometers. You can select as hectares or square feet. It is up to your choice. So I'm going to select as square kilometers, and the coordinate system I'm going to select will be the current map. The current map is WGS 1984 UTM zone 44 north, and I'm going to click OK. So it's going to start calculating the area for this particular field for the different classes, starting from dense vegetation to floodplain. So now here it has calculated the area for each of the LULC classes. So it took some time to calculate the area here. So it is around this entire study area has a total area of around 5,000 square kilometers. So we have calculated the area for each of these LULC classes. So in this video, I've shown you how to reclassify and convert a raster to a polygon shapefile and calculate area using ArcGIS Pro. So thanks for watching, and please subscribe to our channel and give us a like.